Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss the possible document checklist for this new pathway of permanent residency in Canada, where 90,000 eligible foreign workers and international graduates are expected to receive permanent residence. So first of all, the checklist hasn't been released yet, but some people are asking, so I thought of making the video based on my knowledge and experience. So I could be absolutely wrong as well. Don't assume that this could be the only thing, but there are certain things I would like to talk. All right, so use it at your own risk. All right, so guys, whenever we file any permanent residence, the basic form that they ask us, IRCC asks us all to submit, is generic form for Canada. So that I anticipate is going to come here as well. Then if you have a dependent, then you need to add that as a dependent in there, like if you are including your spouse, for example. Then it comes like family information form, which needs to be filled by everyone who is 18 and above. So if two adults are applying, then 2 copies, one for each, will be required. Then if you are applying as a couple, then you need to upload the relationship document like marriage certificate and all. But if you are applying as single, then that's not required. Next, one of the requirements was your legal status document in Canada, like you are currently working. So your work permit, right, your work permit will be required. Then they will ask for your passport, your travel document that you got to upload. Then another important requirement is language test, CLB levels. So for that, people are going for IELTS and CLP-IP, and French people are going for their French language exams. So that evidence will be asked, may be asked. Okay, so that will be uploaded. Then for international graduates, like there's a criteria that you must have completed your education, no, not before this date. So they will ask for your documents, educational documents, to prove that you meet that criteria, that you gotta go. Then based on individual cases, like they may ask you to go for medical, or they may ask you to go for police clearance certificate, because once you go through the wizard, these checklists appear. So that will come through. Some of you might have come long before everything, I mean long before the biometrics were made and still continued. Probably they will ask for the biometrics. That may also happen. So these are some possible documents you can anticipate would come. And then schedule 1, that also comes, but I know it's not mandatory, but they may make mandatory. And any other form they may include, like this is what I am just telling you, is like could be, but it's not going to be like will be. I mean IRCC is not under my control, so they can ask for any document, but based on what information has been released, these are the documents I anticipate. So that is the key. Thanks for watching guys. I'll keep you guys updated as and when information is available.